Hi, my name is Amanda Winalda. I'm executive attorney at Anderson Advisors, and we're here at day 2 of our tax and asset protection event in Dallas. I'm here today with Victor. Hi, Victor. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. How about yourself?
Good. So, Victor's with Stessa. Can you tell us a little bit about what Stessa does?
Yes, Stessa is an asset management software. It allows landlords of residential properties to track their income and expenses, list their vacancies, screen tenants, collect rent, e-sign documents. Pretty much anything you need as a landlord could be managed through Stessa.
So, basically, all of your bookkeeping, it's replacing your Excel sheet, it's replacing your DocuSign, it's replacing whatever screening you're doing.
Place the shoebox full of receipts. You could store all the receipts in Stessa. You could run all the reports. Anything you need to be tax ready will be available in Stessa.
So, how did you guys come up with this? Because a lot of our clients are real estate investors and they're doing it the old fashioned way with box of receipts, with the Excel sheet. Where was this idea born out of?
So, from what I heard, legend says the origin story was a couple guys owned a multifamily property. They one day ran numbers, realized they were spending a lot of money on water bills. They put all the data together and figured out there was a leak in the property. From 1 month to the next, the water just increased. So they decided to put their product background and engineering background into Stessa to make it easier for people to track their expenses that way and maximize their returns.
Well, that's important because it is an investment. So, if you don't know what's coming in and what's going out, you don't know if it's a good investment, right? So, what makes Stessa different from other types of software that do similar things?
I would honestly say that the interface, it's super user friendly. We designed it to make it just plug and play, get on. It's just easy to adapt to.
We actually have an example of the dashboard here if you wanted to walk us through it.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so definitely the dashboard here is listing all your properties. You have a cash metric of net cash flow per month, so you can see if you're actually making money or losing money. We'll have the full transactions based on category, so you can see if you're exceeding your pro forma, your expected expenses, cash on cash return, your net worth of your full portfolio, and it just gets into more granular data as you search through the platform.
So you had mentioned that this is for single family properties. Can you use it for apartments or multifamily?
Any residential property, single, multifamily, duplexes, triplex, apartments, unlimited number of properties you could add to it.
So is there any plans to expand into commercial or maybe self-storage or things, other kind of asset types?
Not at the moment, but it has been in discussion.
Nice. And so if people want to know more about Stessa, how do they get in touch with you?
You could go to stessa.com. There's a chat box at the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm typically behind that box. So you could chat straight to me through the website.
Just go into the chat and say, "Hey, Victor."
Yep.
So are there different membership levels? Is there a free membership? What's the cost?
So we have 3 subscription levels. We have Essentials, which is free. You could pretty much do a lot of stuff with the free level. We have the second tier, which is managed. It's about $15 a month. And our pro tier is about $35 a month. Again, you can add an unlimited number of properties, unlimited number of portfolios, and it's just very cost effective.
What makes one type of membership better for a person or not?
Depending on how sophisticated you want to be on reporting, will increase the number of reports and other functionalities behind it. Another benefit between the Pro and the Essential is the interest you can earn on our cash management accounts. So it will jump from 3% on the free tiers and 5% to the Pro.
Nice. Okay, so if you want to get in touch with Stessa or with Victor, head over to stessa.com, go in the chat, or you guys will be at our next tax and asset protection event. So you can come over to andersonadvisors.com as well. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.